Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Life. In this video, we are going to discuss about how we can inspect elements in Streamlight. That means if you are a web developer, you know about how the inspection will be done in web browser, and all these things will be having by default styles and by default JavaScript, by default implementations will be there, by default tags will be there with respect to Bootstrap, CSS and JavaScript. And now in this video we are going to discuss in that manner, in that concept, so how we can inspect what are the tags available for this specific tag which we mentioned, for this specific method which we mentioned in this code block. So without any further delay, let's jump into that procedure to know how it will be done. So please do watch this video completely. And before going to the inspection, first we need to open and we need to run the code, right? We need to get an output in the browser. For that I am going to cmdr, and I am navigating to the location where the code block is available. So I have code block in my local directory, right? So I am going to get into that local directory, and let's open that code block now. cd4, yes. So give ls, you will get all the information of the files available in that folder. I am extending this video from the previous video, so just we displayed few text concepts, right? Few text sentences over there on the browser using Streamlit, different types of text headings, subheading, title, markdown pages, like that. In that manner only we are going to continue in this video also. I am going to start this app.py, Streamlight run app.py. So let's open that Streamlight app in the browser so that we can start our inspection. So after loading, you will get some information, right, regarding this code, this code blocks. So let's check in that manner. So this one is the title, this is normal text, header, subheading, and this one is a markdown page. So without any further delay, we can start our inspection using web browser. How we can do that inspection? You can right click here and click on inspect, otherwise you can choose your keyboard shortcut F12. I will do inspect element like this, as I need to show you guys. I'm clicking on title, right click, inspect, and you can see span class. This default style, CSS style, was applied with respect to Streamlight, and the text display using Streamlight. That's the title which I gave here. And if you want to update something here, you can do that one also. This is title, for example, this is a welcome title. I'm saving here, go to this place and always rerun. This is a welcome title. Click on inspect elements. You can see the change will be automatically applied here also. Let's do one thing. Title sample, just I'm giving, not sample, Streamlight, just save Streamlight. So automatically here also it updated. When it got updated here on the web page, automatically in inspect elements also it will be getting updated. If you scroll down here, you can see all the styles, different types of styles, and available here. This is the computed layout of the text and its placing, and different types of layouts will be there here. So these are the different types of CSS overlays. Regarding overlays, whenever I hover on something, it will be projecting some case. So this is the div, this is the CSS for div, entire div. This is the one part of div styling. This is style for anchor tag. So this is for next second line. Like that, we have different types of extractions from this inspect elements. If you want to design a complete a web page looking like this with the Streamlight, I mean without Streamlight, but you want to get the look and feel of the Streamlight, you need to use all these styles. You need to use the features of all these styles in your CSS file. Like that, we will be needing different types of, we will be using different types of implementation Streamlight. And if you have any doubt in this text field, whether it is in position or not, you can do some modifications here. For example, it is in relative position. I can click on this one and I can make it as absolute position. It will be looking somewhat different here. So let me make it again to relative. So if it is a relative position, uh, the look and feel will be different. If it is a absolute position, it will be different. I will be changing to, for example, inherit or something fixed position, so it will be looking like this. So if I close this inspect elements and reload this one, it will go to normal state only, no problem in that one. Just to do some kind of dynamic modifications over there. If the look output is okay for us, then we can copy that style, and we can more do use that one our css files. Like that, it will be helpful for developing this these kind of outputs in effective manner. So this is about inspecting elements in Streamlight. So if you like this video, like the video, share the video to everyone, and post your views in the comment section, and also your suggestions. Thanks for watching this video. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel Tech and Life, and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.